these kids had no barrier in their mind. They were surely able in their mind. So it is for us as educators, as Sapta also mentioned, that we have to believe that they can learn birds, they can learn butterflies, they can learn trees, they can experience. We have to make that experience possible for them.
कार्ड मैचिंग जो एक्टिविटी थी, एक जो कार्ड मैचिंग हमने उनको ग्रुप सेशन में दिया था, पहले ही प्रिपरेशन की थी जो सेशन की, तो वहां पे वो जाके मैच कर रहे हो, ट्राई टू फाइंड दिस ट्री एंड दीज वर्ड्स कहाँ मिलेंगे हमें. तो वो एक था कि आप थिंकिंग प्रोसेस चल रहा है, आपकी क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग कहीं ना कहीं मैच हो रही है, प्लस आप अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो, तो वो एक कम्युनिकेशन भी बिल्ड हो रहा है, प्लस एक फ्रेंडशिप भी बिल्ड हो रही है. तो 3-5 skills are automatically built, which is
initially we do it in their school premises. So just to take them around their school, find if they can see some birds, hear them, and do such things in the school. Then talk to the teachers more and more, understand what is the limitations they have and to how far we can push it. So the point is we need to make them feel comfortable, and to make them, when we make them comfortable, they are confident. So the confidence is what we need to gain from them.